Hey everyone, welcome back. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to create a professional product packaging design in Canva, super fast and beginner friendly. First, open Canva and go to the search bar. Type packaging design. You'll instantly see beautifully designed templates you can use as a starting point. Take a moment to pick a template that fits your product style. Maybe something clean for tech or more earthy for a natural product. Once you find one you like, click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now personalize it. Click any text to change the product name, tagline, or important details like ingredients or instructions. Adjust fonts, colors and size so everything matches your brand. Next, swap out images or graphics. You can upload your own product photos or choose visuals from Canva's library. Make sure the design looks neat, professional and easy to read. When you're happy with the layout, click Share, then Download and choose a print-ready format if you're sending it to a manufacturer. And that's it. Your product packaging design is ready to impress customers and represent your brand beautifully. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more Canva guides. See you in the next one.